This is the Minecraft 16. 16. So you have seen Minecraft number 14, number 10, the Minecraft number 5, and now we have arrived at the Minecraft number 16. So today's your question is about weight loss, about dieting. Okay. But see, I'm no expert, I'm not a dietitian, but what are the tips I can give you? Some idea on how to reduce your weight. First, I would think that you should fix a time period to check your weight again, and that is 6 months. Less than 6 months, do not look at your weight at all. So, fix a time period of 6 months. Now, begin. That is number one. Number one, reduce the quantity of food that you consume. That is, every day have only 2 times in a day you have some kind of meal, and preferably rest of the time do not eat. But okay, one more time you can cheat as a small snack, but ensure these 3 things happen on time, on a specific time, and do not indulge in any kind of eating in between these meals. So reduce the content, reduce the quantity, and reduce the number of times that you put food through your mouth. So reduce. And the second thing to do is to do exercises. You must sweat every day from running or from walking, or even Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. It's called sun salutation. Surya Namaskar may be 15 sets, that is 30 times. 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening, you can do exercises. So there's some kind of movement for the body. Or you can even innovate your own movement. You see, movement of the body means what? Some kind of rolling, rotation, twist, shake, bounce, jump, skip, or even jog in a spot, not essentially around the ground. You can just stand where you are and maybe walk in standing on the same spot. So stretch your body, stretch your anatomy. So multiple methods you can generate your own innovation to do the exercises, or just a stretch, twist, twirl, whatever that you want to do. And it's fun to innovate. It's always fun to innovate. And do it with your body by yourself. You can do it any time of the day also, standing where you are in your house. So you have reduce, then you have exercise. And number 3, of course, stick to a vegetarian diet and understand in a span of 1 week, not so specific, not so accurate, not so precise, but in a span of 1 week, ensure about 25% of all that you eat is fruit, and 25% of all that you eat is raw vegetables, that is salads. You can have multiple kind of salad dressing. You can use your own seasoning and understand the tastes. And the rest, 50%, you can have all kind of cereals and cooked food, cooked vegetables to enjoy the tastes. So that will satiate your need for taste and quantity. So that's number 3, to ensure that there is good portion of fruits and raw vegetables in your meal over a span of 1 week. And number 4 is that eat for the body and not for the mind. See, you should know how to sever your understanding of the body as separate from understanding of the mind. Mind is greedy. Mind registers tastes. It is engraved that you like something and you dislike something else. So if you eat for the mind, there's no end to it. You keep on indulging in a habit, in a pattern. You eat because you want to get entertained. You start eating because you want to socialize. You start eating because you're curious. You start eating because you want to do a pastime. So these are all grievances of the mind, and you're satisfying it with the feeding to the body. And so the body starts getting weight. Body starts putting on weight. So what you should do is understand the body separate from the mind. Eat for the body. You must eat for the body in the sense that when you're hungry, you're eating, and always leave a little space for the stomach where you are not full of food, so that the next meal that you take is you're excited about it, you're fascinated, and you really feel the hunger, and the hunger will also burn out some of the fat. So this is something you can do as number 4. And as number 5, I think this is called OPD. I've generated it by myself. OPD means one pot dish. One pot dish. No. Not outpatient department. One pot dish means for the next 6 months, ensure you have only one pot, one pan, one wok, whatever it be, maybe a medium sized or something that can take 1 liter or 1 kilo, and use only that, and one knife and one spoon. That's all that you have for next 6 months. Indulge in all kinds of food, vegetarian food, but you wash the food in that specific wok or pan or pot that you have. Cut the vegetables with one knife that you have for the next 6 months, and cook it, heat over the heat, and then consume it with one spoon. So that there's no further wastage of water, no need to wash too many dishes, and no need to spend labor in dishwashing. You'll save a lot of water, labor, time that you can use to your advantage because you're using just one wok or one pot dish. So, and you have to be innovative. You have to generate new recipes, new taste, new fragrances, new aromas, and new ingredients, so that you keep your palates on the tongue. You keep it very eager to indulge. So you got to kickstart your innovation. So these are the 5 methods by which you indulging in which, and by regimentation you can start your weight loss regimen. So enjoy your weight loss regimen, get nourished, do the nutrient understanding, and finally also eat to protect your organs. Not just to energize yourself, but to understand that food can protect certain organs. Certain foods are there that protects your defense, your kidney, defending your liver, protecting your pancreas. Certain foods linked to do good to your skin or to your eyes. So these are certain foods are directly linked to protect and defend your organs. So you should know that kind of link, educate yourself on nutrients, nourishment, and accordingly you choose your vegetables and fruits and cereals and grains and spices and herbs, etc., so that you can understand which food protects your organs. So it's not only about weight loss, it's also about innovation, kickstarting some kind of understanding of a link between your organ and food. So in the end of the day, it is about longevity of life, longevity of the living on the body. So enjoy, regiment, and lose your weight, deburden your body. This is that Mindcraft number 16.